Hello everyone, welcome once again to our interview questions for the Test Automation Engineers series. This is Prince. So today we are going to talk about how to take screenshot of a web page as well as how to take screenshot of a particular web element in Selenium. So the application that I'm going to refer is Internet Hero Cup. So this is the application that we are going to refer, right? So in this particular lecture, what we'll be doing, first of all, I'll walk you through how to launch this particular website using Selenium 4. We'll try to show you like how to take screenshot of the entire web page, and later we will discuss how to take screenshot of this particular web element. So without further delay, let me jump on to practical demonstration. So I have created one Maven project. Inside that I'm having form.xml. Inside form.xml, I have defined one dependency, Selenium version 4.19.0. Then I have created one class, screenshot. Now I'm going to write the basic syntax to launch this particular website. So driver equal to new Chrome driver, right? And then after, what we need to do, we need to provide URL of the application. So I'm going to the application and simply going to copy and paste this particular URL and going to provide it. So far what we have done, we have created the driver instance and we are launching the URL. If you will notice that I haven't downloaded the Chrome driver exe and I haven't even provided the path because I'm using the Selenium version 4.19.0, that is Selenium latest version. So in this case, we don't need to download the Chrome driver exe explicitly because same is being taken care internally. I have already covered the same as part of separate video. I'll be sharing the link of same in the I icon in case you are interested to learn this particular concept. Okay. Now the next thing is what we are going to do. Let us take the screenshot of this particular web page, right? So for that purpose, there is one interface in Selenium. So if you notice that take screenshot, this is an interface in org.openqa.selenium. So let me provide the same and let us go inside this. If you will see, it has one method, getScreenshotAs method. Before that, what all drivers are implementing it. So I'm right clicking on it and clicking on go to, and then after I'm clicking on implementations. So these all drivers are implementing it, meaning we can take screenshot for all the drivers implementing this particular take screenshot, right? Now what we need to do, we need to provide the reference variable for this. So take screenshot, and then because we need to pass this driver reference to this particular test screenshot, so this is how we can do it, but it will show some error because driver is of different type while take screenshot is of different type, though driver is the child of take screenshot as it is implementing take screenshot interface. Now what we need to do, we need to typecast this, right? So we have typecasted it. Next thing is take screenshot, though as we just discussed that it has one method getScreenshotAs which accept one argument which is output type. So it could be of type file, base 64 and byte 7. So depending on the need, we can use it. For the current lecture, file is in scope, but we can use base 64 as well as bytes depending on the need. Okay. Now if I go inside this particular getScreenshotAs method, so whatever the file type we will choose, that will become the return type. So return type of this particular getScreenshotAs method in this case will be file. So let us store this particular screenshot in file, right? So for that purpose, let us define file. So file, right? So far we have taken the screenshot. Next thing is we need to store it somewhere, right? So for that, let us define the destination location. So destination file, right? So I have created the object of file, and now let us define the location of destination. So screenshot slash, now it would be the screenshot name. So let us give it name webpage.png, right? So we have captured the screenshot, we have defined the destination. So we need to copy this particular source screenshot to the destination screenshot location. So for that purpose, we'll be using file utils from org.apache.common.io. .copy file will be using. So in first argument, we'll provide the source location, and in second, we'll be providing the destination location, right? So far you will observe there is no screenshot folder and there is no screenshot, right? So when we'll run this particular program, it will create one screenshot folder, and inside that it will create this webpage.png, and it will capture the entire screenshot, entire webpage screenshot, right? So it has launched Chrome browser, it is now loading this particular website. So as soon as it is loaded, it will take the screenshot. So you see the application is loaded, and now you will observe there is one screenshot folder created, and inside it webpage.png is also created. So if I click on this webpage.png, so we'll see that it is showing the screenshot of entire web page. Now, how to take screenshot of a particular web element? So for that purpose, what we'll be doing, let us try to get the element, right? Let us try to get any element. So let us get the first element, right? So I'm going to right click on inspect. So this is the web element. And then what we need to do, we need to provide /a, and as it is text, right? And then after, so this is how we can capture the XPath. Now the next thing is what we need to do. We need to find this element using Selenium, right? So I'm going to push this code to the downside. So we have launched the application. Now we are trying to get the element. So driver.find element. This is the method. So by.xpath, and inside this we can provide the XPath location, right? Now let us go inside this web element and element, right? So we have captured the element in web element, right? And if you will notice this take screenshot, if I go inside this take screenshot, and let us again take a look at the implementation. And if you will observe, apart from driver, WebElement is also implementing, and same is possible in Selenium 4 only, right? In Selenium 3, it was not possible, right? Now, what we are going to do, we are going to use element dot get screenshot as method, right? And rest of the things are going to be common. Rest of the things are going to be common. So I'm going to simply copy it and paste it. And again, what we'll be doing, we'll be storing it into file as like we did. And then after, let us copy paste this particular section, that is destination location and the copy part, right? And let us comment the below section because we are interested in web element, and let us change the destination to web element, right? And let us remove this particular webpage.png as well, right? And now let us run this particular program once again and see whether we are able to capture the screenshot of a particular web element or not. So it will launch Chrome browser once again, and it will load the application. So let us wait for the application to be loaded. So the application is loaded. Now let us go to the IntelliJ, and inside screenshot, we have now another screenshot, which is web element. And if I click on this web element.png, so I can see the screenshot of A/B testing only, right? So same can be confirmed from here. So A/B testing screenshot is available. So this is how we can capture screenshot of entire screen as well as screenshot of a particular web element. So this is what I wanted to cover as part of current video. Thank you for watching. I would request you to please like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.